So taking a look at this question, first off, if you're looking for the standard form of coordinate points, technically what you have here is already points that are in standard form. However, I'm assuming that you're looking for the linear equation given these points in standard form, so that's kind of what I solved for here. All right, so I use the first 2 points because with a linear equation, you only need technically 2 points to get the equation of any line. So I use the first two to get the slope first. Okay, so I did y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right, so we did 4 minus a negative 10, which became 4 plus 10, and that gave me 14. And then negative 1 minus 2 gave me negative 3. So my slope I have here is negative 14 over 3. Now, since I have a point, or actually a couple of points to choose from, and a slope, I'm going to put this into point slope form, which I did over here. All right, and then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this point slope form that I have, and I'm going to manipulate some of my variables to get it into standard form. So standard form, you want your x and y on the same side, and you want just a number on the other side. Okay, so first off, I'm going to deal with this fraction 3. To get rid of that 3, I'm going to multiply the entire equation by 3 to get rid of that denominator. Okay, so I distribute this 3 into everything. Now on this side, the negative 14 over 3 also is being multiplied by this x minus 2. So we don't have to change the x minus 2 here. We just have to change or multiply this negative 14 over 3 to get rid of that denominator. Okay, so we get 3y plus 30 equals negative 14, and then x minus 2 in parentheses. I'm going to distribute that negative 14 into the parentheses, and I get negative 14x plus 28. And now we have an equation with our variables on both sides. What I want to do is I want to first move this negative 30 to get my numbers to the same side. Okay, so 28 minus 30 gives me negative 2. And then the last thing I want to do is make sure that my variables are on the same side for it to be in standard form. So I'm going to add 14x on both sides. And I get 14x plus 3y equals negative 2. Okay, and this is the standard form of that linear equation that would pass through these 3 points. If you wanted to check your answer, you could plug in each of these points individually for the x and the y, and you can make sure that all 3 of these points would be solutions to this linear equation. And that would be a way to check your answer. But we get 14x plus 3y equals negative 2. Okay, hope this helps.